Welcome to International Labour Organization in Vietnam. I would like to share with you some of the work we have been doing over the past 2 years and how it is having an impact on the lives of people in Vietnam. You will hear some of our colleagues talk about highlight in 3 main areas of work: decent work through promotion of sustainable enterprise, social protection for all, and effective labor market institution.
We've been working with our partners in Vietnam to support the revision of the Labour Code. This will be the foundation of a new industrial relations framework. This law, which has just passed, will bring greater clarity and less red tape for employers, and is also better aligned with ILO's fundamental principles and rights at work. And many workers will gain, for the first time, the right to form independent worker organisations.
In 2019, Better Work Vietnam have supported more than 360 active factories with over 600,000 workers. And we see that this year we have made a lot of improvement in terms of the compliance for our participating factory. And we see that the factory also try to ensure a safer workplace for the workers, such as they established a functioning occupational safety and health unit. More importantly, we saw that the factory also complied more with international labor standards. More factories have increased the independence of the trade union, which is very important.
A milestone in the past year is Vietnam's ratification of the ILO Fundamental Convention on Collective Bargaining, which is likely to result in better working conditions, higher productivity, and shared prosperity. The effective implementation of the International Labour Standard and Vietnam's commitment to ratify the 2 remaining fundamental conventions on the forced labor and freedom association is a key step to promote decent work for all in Vietnam.
We are very proud of many achievements through our pilot initiatives, such as first, multi-employer collective bargaining agreements, first time ever concluded and expanded successfully in Vietnam. Second, workers become center in organizing unions with bottom-up approach. And the third, social dialogue mechanism extensively developed at various levels. We believe those achievements bring significant changes.
Vietnam has taken a smart approach to measuring decent work, and we've had the opportunity to work side by side with those government institutions that have built it. So on the one hand, Vietnam has its own country-specific list of SDGs, in which labor indicators are very well represented. And on the other hand, it has ensured that those indicators are measurable. So Vietnam's Labor Force Survey is one of the most advanced of developing Asia, and it applies the newest international standards of labor statistics.
We supported the implementation of the National Action Plan for Eliminating Child Labor. Our model of direct intervention provided support for more than 3,000 children by screen and vocational training, education and livelihood support. This had created the momentum for Vietnam to achieve its goal of eliminating child labor.
Over the past 2 years, we've been working to improve productivity and working conditions of Vietnam's workforce. Partnering with the public and private training providers, we've used the ILO SCORE training program to help more than 200 companies improve their production processes, reduce their environmental footprint, and create better and safer workplaces for workers.
Vietnam has taken a huge step forward by committing to reach universal social protection, including old age pensions, health insurance, and maternity protection. The ILO is proud to have contributed to this important work by providing years of technical advice to enhance social cohesion, correct market failures, and ensure that Vietnam's impressive economic growth is inclusive for everyone in the long term.
Over the past 2 years,
The ILO-supported Migrant Worker Resource Center has helped thousands of Vietnamese migrant workers access to reliable information on safe migration and legal assistance services. We expect that these centers can be expanded to help Vietnamese migrant workers to reduce vulnerability to abuse and exploitation. During the process of review and revision of labor migration law, we advocated to abolish recruitment costs and related fees to migrant workers.
It was not possible for us to achieve what we achieved without support and partnership with our national partner, Ministry of Labor, Vietnam General Confederation of Labor, Vietnam Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and Vietnam Cooperative Alliance, other major stakeholders. We reached out to the highest level of government decision-making, Deputy Prime Minister, political bureau member. With their trust and support, we have come this far. It was a great journey for the last 2 years. We have now much clearer vision for the future we want to shape together.